Hello, car fans. It's been quite a ride, pun intended, since starting 24/7 Cars in June 2022. And back then, I set a goal to upload 100 videos in 100 days to get the channel started. That was a lot of fun launching this channel. It wasn't really hard to get motivated to go try to make things happen and make content for this channel, but it wasn't always easy. There was some almost sleepless nights a few times. But hey, I pulled it off. And here's a slideshow of cars from those early videos. And my main reason for making this particular video is because I want to express my deep appreciation to those of you who I've come across through YouTube and also at the car shows I cover for my videos. Because last month, 24/7 Cars not only reached its goal of 100 videos in 100 days, but also reached 100 subscribers. So I take pride in making some of the finest car videos available on the internet and providing a valuable online archive of many of the most beautiful, antique, and rare automobiles in the world. I say this because I see myself as a creator with what I feel is a very important mission. And that's because the reality is, sadly, many of these cars will grow rarer and rarer as time passes, and unfortunately, many of them will no longer physically exist in the generations ahead. So I'm grateful for the work we've done so far. And I especially want to thank those of you who not only enjoy this channel and are fans of it, but who also own, turn the wrenches, and drive the screws to build and restore the automotive masterpieces showcased on this channel. It means a lot to me that many of you have also gone out of your way to share 24/7 Cars with people you know who appreciate what this channel's about. But you know what? We've just gotten started here on 24/7 Cars. So I'm now setting my sights on 1,000 videos and 1,000 subscribers. So please subscribe if you haven't already and ring the notification bell, and that way you can ride shotgun with me as this channel grows in the months and years ahead. And also enjoy one of the recommended videos you see here for more automotive awesomeness from 24/7 Cars.